Namaste. Today I'm making a pizza dough, a perfect crispy pizza dough, which is very famous in Calgary. So we need a 7.5 liter of water. So 22 lb of all-purpose flour, 3-star. 5.7 ounces of yeast. 11 ounces of white sugar. 4.6 ounces of salt. So the water temperature should be 94 to 95. So 95 should be okay. So water in the hovered now. So add salt first, then sugar. And mix it well until dissolved. Okay, that's clear. So we can add the yeast now. So adding yeast we just crumble the yeast and add it. So after added, we have to wait until 10 minutes. Almost 10 minutes, guys. We can see the yeast is coming up now because we feed the sugar to the yeast. So let's we put the flour on it. So before we put the flour, just we need to whisk it one more time. So our timer goes off. So we can add the flour to Hubbard. So I have saved here flour just in case the last minute the dough need it, or we just leave for the last minute, because our dough should be not too hard, not too soft, so perfect we need it. So let's start to knead the dough. Then we will see on time to time how much flour we're gonna add more. Look at, I think we need to add more flour. I just have here extra flour on the. Then let's start again. So dough is kneading now, so I think we need a little bit more flour, so we can add it little by little. Add it little by little. That should be enough. Okay, that dough is too soft, so we need to add more flour. So I add here almost 6 pounds of flour more. So we knead the dough around 10 minutes. Let's see. And also remember, we just need to add with a flour, adjust it how the dough looks like. Let me see. Look at that, guys. Dough should be like this. So this time we can add the half cup of canola oil to the dough. Then knead for the 2 minutes. So we clean the surface where we need to rest the dough. So we dusted by the flour all the surface. Dough to the surface and then sprinkle with the flour too on the top. The reason is sprinkle with is we just cover it with the plastic, then it will not stick within in the plastic. That's why we sprinkle. And the dough should be rest until 30 minutes on the counter in room temperature. So cover the dough lightly and then set the temperature for 30 minutes. then we will come back. 30 minutes starting now. And also guys, help to my channel, also subscribe my channel, and then if you have any comments down, please comments me down. If you like, if you dislike, please write it down. Thank you so much. If you need any kind of recipe, I can just get it for you. Thank you so much. We'll be continue. Thank you. Look at the dough is raised exactly the double size, and then when you pump it, it's nice. Then we're gonna start to portion now. So we have three sizes of pizza pan here. One is a 12 inches pizza pan, one is a 10 inches pizza pan, and one is a 8 inches pizza pan. So we have to do 8 inches pizza pan is like a 8 ounces. 10 inches pizza pan is like a 10.5 ounces, and then 12 inches pizza pan is a 16 ounces of dough. We're gonna portion, cut up and portion this all 20 20 20 each. 20, this will become like around 20 dough each, large, medium and small. We'll see. So I always start from the large, then medium, and then small. Then we can just by the time we can press the dough accordingly. So we'll start from the large, 16 ounces. So we start little bit further because it will be still raised, and then we can cover right away. So we start covering the dough and then make it portion together, so then the dough will not dry it. So I have here 20 large dough within 16 ounces. So I'm making the medium size of dough, which one is 10.6 10.5 ounces. I have here 22 medium size, like 10.5 ounces of dough. So rest of dough I'm gonna portion all the 8 ounces one. So 8 ounces dough. So I have a 20 small size of pizza, 8 inches. So I have here pizza pan, large, medium, and then small. This is I just prepare according to the dough what we have here sitting. We need to press it. First we need to oil brush. Let's start the oil brush, and then we just put the cornmeal and then spray, and let's see one by one. So I have here canola oil on my right hand side, and left hand side I have cornmeal. So I have brushed all the oils all over, and even the side corner also. Then I have to put the cornmeal, sprinkle cornmeal, and then you just need to put the spray, canola spray, so it will not stick the dough at the end. So we will just oil brush and canola, the cornstarch and canola oil spray all the pan, and then we will just stack on the top like a pyramid. This one is the base, and then next we're gonna start from here to circle here, then continue on the top. The perfect pyramid, guys. Look, so we're gonna press it from the small to medium to large, continue. I have press in the place in the counter this all, and then we just need to press by the palm, the first press, and continue. We press it all. So as soon as finish the first press, just put the lid on, and then it will not the dough dry. So and we stack it, and we start continue pressing the first press. See the guys, dough is rising here. So I take from here to upside down, because the top side is little bit dry, it will be go down. The pizza dough has a first press done. So this time we're gonna start from the small, finish it the second press. So that time we just need to adjust all the dough should be equally pressed. So the cooking time, it will be cooked similar time and make it crispy all over the place. So let's start to do it. So that's all the same one, all over the same pressed, equal size, equal thickness. So this time we're gonna cover the dough, and then lid on this. All of this we can do it the same way. So I have done here the first press and second press all done. This dough now we have to put it in the cooler right away. So it's, because the outside temperature is so hot, it's like a plus 32 degree, and I have some old dough here in the cooler, so I have to take it out this all, then put it back the new dough, and then old dough should be goes first, right? Okay. The reason why I cover it, the dough is like you can see this dough is so fresh after 2 days also. Okay, that is still nice, no any dry and uncovered. Sometimes you can find the crack on the corner and then cover, so the dough will be dry very fast, and then it will not good when you cook the pizza. So let's start to press the medium and large. So now I have pressed all the 10 inches dough. So this is, I put it here. I have some old one, I put it on the top. So this on the top, like a 4 or 5 pieces, is the old one, so we can use it first. So I have done the dough for today. So I just put it large, new at the back, hold at the front. So let's make a one pizza. I have here 12-inch pizza. We will press it for before we make the dough, make it round circle. Okay, open food, breakfast sandwich, sourdough, yeah. Ham and cheese tomato for me, whenever. The sauce we put all in equally, so just nicely around. Mushroom, mixed pepper, bacon. So a lot of cheese on the top. So this pizza goes in the oven for 12 minutes. So after 12 minutes the pizza is ready to come out. So look at that pizza, guys, nice and standing in the knife. See the bottom of the pizza crust.